Hi there, my name is Carla Ann, and I'm the car lady at Highway Mazda in Steinbach. Today, I want to talk to you about how to customize the lighting options in your new Mazda. All right, let's take a look and get started by taking a look at our Infotainment Center. So there's your screen. We're going to immediately turn it to the right to settings. You can do that, or you can just touch the settings button. Now we're going to go all the way to the vehicle tab. So we're going to go all the way here. We just press that end button, so you can just go back. You can do all this by touch screen. There's our vehicle tab, and we're going to go down to lighting. Now there's a lot of options here, so hopefully we can do this quickly, and if you have any questions at the end, please do give me a call. Now the first thing is the interior timeout door open. So that means these lights here, okay, so these lights here, and also the lights that are in the back of the vehicle, these are the interior lights. So when do they turn off? If the door is opened. All right, so we're gonna click this, and you have options: 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes. Now, myself, I like mine at 10 minutes because if in fact I do accidentally leave the door open, or if maybe a child leaves the door open by accident, or a seatbelt gets stuck in there and it doesn't latch all the way and the interior lights stay on, that will drain your battery. So I would like my lights to turn off automatically after 10 minutes. Now, if you live in Canada, Manitoba, where we are, and it gets to be winter, currently it's dark by 5 p.m. When it gets, let's say you want to clean your car, or you're looking for something, or you're vacuuming it out, you might want to have, put it here at 60 minutes, giving you some extra time. But then don't forget to reduce the time so you don't ever get stuck with a dead battery. All right, so let's go back and to this main screen here. Now the interior light, again, that's these lights here. When do they turn out? Once the door is closed. So here you'll see it says interior light timeout, door close. So this is after you are leaving the vehicle. Do you want the interior lights to stay on for 7.5 seconds, 15, 30, or 60 seconds? Personally, in my vehicle, I have it at 7.5 seconds because once I am out of the vehicle, I don't need anyone else to see what's inside my car. So I have it at 7.5 seconds. Now, everyone is different. You might have reasons why you prefer to have it at 30 seconds or even 60 seconds. This is your car. Do it your way, enjoy it, and use it the way you see best. I'm going to turn mine here to 7.5 seconds. Now, the light on volume. The light on volume will, this will be for your headlights. That's if you have it in auto, but if you have your headlights on like this, or if you have turned this switch here to on. All right. If those are left on when you are getting out of the vehicle, you've turned it off, it's going to ding to let you know that you have left your lights on. And that's a reminder to turn them off so you don't drain your battery. Now, you can change that to a low beep or turn that off entirely. I like to have mine on high because I don't want a dead battery. And sometimes I do make crazy mistakes and accidentally hit a button and turn it on. So I would like that on high. Now take a look at Headlight Off Timer. Now this is after you turn off your car, you get out of the vehicle, you lock it, and you're walking away from your vehicle. Your headlights will, if you have it selected, stay on for a set amount of time. You can turn that off so that as soon as you turn off the vehicle and lock it, the headlights go off. Some people do like that. Some prefer that the headlights stay on for 30 seconds. Some like it longer, like 60 seconds or 120 seconds. If, for example, why would anyone have it at 120 seconds? If you live in an area or you park regularly in an area that is dark and outside rather than in your garage attached to your home, you might like to walk in the light a little bit longer, or use the light from the headlights to unlock your door, that kind of thing. So every person, again, can customize this the way they would like to use it and to make their vehicle the most useful for them. So go ahead and customize it right here the way you would like it. Now, there's two features here, the coming home light and the leaving home light. I like to think of the coming home light as the arrive at your destination light. All right. So now here, if you click on here, you get some choices. So now when you arrive at your destination, if you can choose to turn this off. So that means, I will just go back here for a second, that when your headlight off timer goes off, your headlights will go off, and there's nothing you can do to change and add or to put the lights on again without getting into the vehicle. But if you go into this coming home light and you adjust that to any one of these amounts of seconds or lengths of time, I would have mine a little bit longer. I'd probably do mine around 90 seconds. What this does is when you have arrived at your destination and your headlight off timer goes off, you have the option of clicking the unlock button on your fob, or sorry, the lock button on your fob, and the headlights will stay on for an additional length of time. All right. Now, if you go back to the leaving home light, I like to think of this as the now leaving your destination light. So now you're going to go back to your car. If your car is locked, it's been sitting in the parking lot at the shopping mall, you've been there for about a couple of hours, and now it's time to go home and it's dark and you're not even sure where your car is, you can hit your unlock button from a distance and it will turn your headlights on, and they will stay on until you are in the car or hit your lock button again. All right? Now your headlight on, this here is to adjust your auto headlamp. So that's talking about how the medium, if we go in here, you'll see medium high and medium low and low. This is going to adjust when your headlights will come on. So this is measuring how sensitive the vehicle is to turning on the headlights. So if you like the headlights to come on when it's a little brighter or a little darker, you can adjust that right here. I leave mine at medium. I find my headlights come on at a nice time, but if you would like to change that and personalize your vehicle, this is where you do that. All right. There are a lot of settings in your car for lighting. If you have any questions about any of that, or you would like some help with it, just give me a call. That's what I'm here for. My number is 204-326-6437, and my name is Carla Ann. I'm the car lady at Highway Mazda in Steinbach. Have a great day.